Hey everybody, I'm Deborah Richmond. I have a new product to show you. One of the best parts of my job is I get to try out a lot of new products, and the ones that are really good, I bring to you and show you. This is my new discovery, which I am loving. This is called Grip Strips by Guidelines for Quilting is the company. What these are, when you pull them out of the package, it comes on a paper like this, is they are strips of plastic with an adhesive back that you're going to use on your rulers to add that non-slip surface to the back of your rulers. Now I know as I'm showing you this product you're not going to be able to actually see it because it is a clear plastic, but I'm going to show you. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you this. But here is what it looks like. It peels right off. Okay. And you're going to take it to your ruler. Now this is one of my rulers that I really like to use, but it doesn't have any of the non-slip backing the way some of the rulers have. Some of them have dots or other things that help with the sliding a little bit. So let me turn it over and show you what happens. This is what happens when I usually use this ruler, is that as I'm cutting strips, I'll be cutting along, and then as I get to this top, it slides a little bit. Now I have a part of my strip that is wrong. And I have to cut it and throw it out. So what you're supposed to do in this case is you're supposed to spider your hand. So in other words, I would cut it, spider my hand, and that's so that you keep even pressure so it stays in one place. Let me turn it over now so that these grip strips are on the bottom. I don't have to worry about that anymore because even as I cut with this one, even without spidering my hand, this is not moving. I've been doing a lot of strips and I'm just loving this product because it is a plastic, a little bit of give to it, so it's just going to push right down onto your fabric and holds it in place. Now here's the thing, you can get these in, this one is 11 3/4 inch strips. Now I have one right here starting at the top to here. Now here's what's nice. They are repositionable. You can take them off, put them back on. I've done this a bunch this week as I've been trying these out. And you can put them on different rulers. You can change where they are. So I tried mine like right on the edge if I want it, which I liked it, but if I wanted I could even like maybe bring it in and put it 1/4 inch in. Wherever you like, and you can try out different things. It does not leave a residue on your ruler. That is fantastic. And I've been really testing that to see, because I have ruined other rulers with other things like masking tapes that have adhesive. This adhesive is not something that stays onto the surface. It stays on the plastic. I don't know how they do it, but it works. Now here's what else is nice about these. Not only can you reposition them, I'm going to get mine on there nice and straight. This one only goes up to the 11 3/4 inch, but I can now take this and it's very easy to cut it, and I can cut another piece of it off so that I can then run it all the way down. When I first started using it, I tried just the 11 1/2 inch one right here, like in the middle, and that worked. But I can see now I really want it all the way down. If I want, I can even put it on the top and bottom, run a strip along there. So really, it's just, these rulers aren't going anywhere. I'm super loving this. Some of my rulers don't slide around, some of them do. And then this is what I'm going to use. Now here's what else is really cool about it. You can use it on different size rulers, strangely shaped rulers. So this is just a square. I can cut strips that are exactly the length of the square and put them on 2 sides, 4 sides, whatever I like, so that this becomes a non-slip ruler. And then this is what I thought really neat, is I have some of these. This is a hexagon ruler that you use for fussy cutting. So when you're cutting something like this and you're holding it down and you're using your rotary cutter to cut, very often it'll start to slide around on you on the fabric. So this is going to be a dream, because I am going to go ahead and put some strips here. I have them here on the bottom and the top. I'm going to cut some more small pieces because I'm going to put strips on every side so that this will be nice and steady right where it's at. Not gonna slip around even as I cut from strange angles. So again, this is called the grip strips. If you've got some rulers that are sliding around on you, this is something that's going to really help you out. I'm going to have information below on how you can get a hold of these, and thanks for joining me. And be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can do so here by clicking the subscribe button. That way you'll find out about new videos as they become available.